What's up guys, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be talking about a really beautiful collection from Zoeva that just launched this week. It's the Melody Collection, and they did send this to me in PR and I unboxed it during my Sunday haul, and I was blown away by this palette, you guys. When I first looked at it, I kind of just thought, oh, it's another neutral palette. It has like a pop purple in it, and you know, I wasn't really completely wowed by it. But once I started swatching it, if you guys were watching along with me, you probably saw how surprised I was when I swatched some of these colors and they looked completely different on my skin than they did in the pan. Not to mention that just all swatched out together, they look absolutely beautiful, way better than just looking at this palette. So I just got so many requests from you guys to do a review and tutorial with this palette, so that's what we're going to do today. So why don't we go ahead and just jump right in. So just quickly, if you're not familiar with Zoeva, they are a German cosmetic brand. That's why you may not have heard of them here in the States. They do sell them at Sephora in Europe as well as in Asia. I really hope that one day they'll come to Sephora here in the US, because that way everybody can buy it without having to worry about international shipping. Although I must say I have placed several orders from Zoeva in the past, and the international shipping really isn't too expensive and everything came really quickly. So I was definitely surprised by that. I also have found that they package the products so super well. I've never had any broken products come in, and everything is just like in 10 layers of bubble wrap. So they're really super good about packaging as well. And I don't think that the prices are all that bad. Eyeshadow palettes usually run about $26.50, and then when you add in the shipping costs, it usually works out to around a $35 palette, which still isn't bad for high-end quality. And they do have free shipping if you spend over 100 US, which is a little bit on the higher side, but like I said, the regular shipping isn't too bad, especially for international. And I would say I have most of their palettes at this point. I just think they're so amazing, and the color stories that they come up with are just beautiful. Again, sometimes some of them really surprise you where they don't look like much in the pan, but then when you start playing with them and swatching them and getting them on your eyes, it's like, wow, they're just incredible. They also have fantastic brushes. I think their brushes are a little bit more on the pricey side. You're gonna spend more than you would for like BH Cosmetics brushes or something like that. But I do think that the quality of the brushes is outstanding, so they're definitely well worth the money. So why don't we go ahead now and dive into this collection. So in the collection, we have the eyeshadow palette as well as a cute little mirror, which is absolutely adorable. And then there are some lip glosses. So there's one cream lip gloss, and then there are 4 of these lip toppers, which have more of a shimmery kind of glitter formula. Really pretty as well. I'm wearing both of these today, which you'll see in the tutorial coming up. So on the website, really quickly, I'll read to you the inspiration from Zoe, the founder of the brand, and she said, "The butterfly is a symbol of powerful transformations. The beautiful butterfly motifs and transformative colors within our Melody collection are a reminder to listen to the whispers within your own heart telling you to break free, transform, and become who you were always meant to be." So I always love hearing the inspiration behind all of the products. So let's take a look inside the palette itself. So when you open it up, like I said, it just looks like your basic everyday neutral palette with a pop of purple, but it's really beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and put up some swatches so that you can see all of the colors laid out. So the first shade is Gowns Swirling, and this one is a matte porcelain pink with glitter. It's a really unique, interesting shade. Next we have Airy Dalliance, which is a beautiful satin delicate apricot color. And then we have Gentle Clasp, which on the website is the satin cool blue with glitter, but I feel like it's just a beautiful like lavender purple shade. It's really pretty. Next is Cocoon of Doubt, and this one is a satin antique gold shade. And then we have Fly Solo, which is a matte cool ash brown, a really great transition color. And then we have From Heaven. This one is so pretty. It's a duochrome rose satin base with an icy blue shift. Then we have World Above, which is a matte sandy maple brown sugar shade. This one is so pretty as well for a transition color. And then next we have Crystal Wing. It's actually a duochrome rusty red satin base with a golden green shift. And then next we have Soul Unheld, which is a shimmery golden honey bronze shade. It's more of kind of an antique bronze. And then the last shade is About to Leave, and this one is a matte rich espresso brown. So these eyeshadows are made in Italy, and they're one of my favorite formulas. I think they're so underrated, and I don't know why a lot more people aren't talking about them. It may just be because they're not readily available here in the US, but like I said, I hope that they come here soon, because for $26.50, this is an amazing formula. The shimmer and satin shades are so soft and so buttery, really, really pigmented on the eyes. Because they're so soft, they do have a little bit of fallout. I definitely recommend tapping off your brush or your finger before you apply them, or you are going to get that little bit of fallout. And their matte formula is also one of my favorites because it's just so super soft and easy to blend on the eyes. I really, really enjoy their formula a lot. So let's go ahead now and get into the tutorial, and I'll show you how I got the look on my eyes today. So for my brushes today, I'm also going to be using Zoeva, and this is their Screen Queen Complete Eye Set. It comes with 12 different brushes, and it's $86. I'll leave it linked down in the description box below. So the first shade I'm using is Fly Solo, and this one was that matte cool ash brown shade. And I'm using the Luxe Crease brush and using a windshield wiper motion back and forth. And then I also blended it out a little bit with the Luxe Eye Blender brush, which is a little bit more dense, and it blends out the shadows beautifully. And then next I went in with the shade Gentle Clasp, and this one is that really beautiful purple satiny color. It's so beautiful, and I'm applying this to my lid with my finger. I almost always use my finger when it comes to lid shades, even if they do apply well with a brush, just because I find it a little bit easier and that I have a little bit more control over it, and they come out slightly more pigmented as well. And then next I'm applying the shade About to Leave. This is that matte rich espresso brown, and I'm using their Luxe Smoky Shader, which is a really nice flat brush, to apply that to the outer corner of my eye. And this shade is really, really pigmented and blends beautifully. And then I went ahead and used the Luxe Eye Blender again to blend that out towards the center of my eye. And then last but not least, I took the shade From Heaven, which is that really gorgeous duochrome rose satin base with the icy blue shift. And I just dabbed a little bit of that with my finger right to the center of my lid to add a little bit of sheen and dimension to my eye. And it looks so pretty mixed with that purple shade. It's absolutely gorgeous. And I forgot to film this part, but I did line underneath my eyes first with the color that I used in my crease, that matte cool brown. And then I went in with that purple shade also that I used on the lid, and I applied that also right at my lash line on the bottom. And then for my cheeks, I'm using Zoeva's Coral Spectrum palette, and I took the shade CRO 30, and this one is a really pretty shimmery peachy coral color. It's so beautiful, and I applied that using the big blush brush from the BH Cosmetics Marble set, and this one is really super pigmented, so a little bit goes a really long way. But again, I love their blushes because they apply so beautifully to the cheeks. They blend out seamlessly. And this palette is also made in Italy. It's $19.50, and I really enjoy this palette so much. You get a really nice variety of warm and cool shades in here. And then on my lips, I'm using one of the lip glosses from the Melody Collection. This one is called Join the Dance, and this is a delicate peachy nude with a honey gold shimmer. The shimmer in this one is really faint. It mainly goes on looking like a cream shade. It's really beautiful, really shiny. Doesn't feel sticky on the lips at all, and it also doesn't have any kind of scent to it either, so if you're sensitive to scents, you don't have to worry about that. And then to add a little dimension, I topped it with the shade Become a Butterfly. This one is a clear gloss with a rose gold sparkle. It's so super gorgeous. And I just love the effect that this one gives. It just helps to plump up the lips a little bit. And even though this one does contain micro glitter, it doesn't feel gritty on the lips. I don't feel the glitter at all. It feels really super smooth. So here's the finished look, and I love these purple eyes paired with the peachy blush and the peachy lip gloss. It's just such a beautiful look for springtime. So let me just quickly go ahead and show you some swatches of all the lip glosses. So again, the first one is Join the Dance. This is the one that I'm using on my lips, and this one is a delicate peachy nude with a honey gold shimmer. Next we have Become a Butterfly. I'm also wearing this one, and this one is a clear gloss with a rose gold sparkle. And then we have Radiant Flight. This one is a soft pink nude with a silver sparkle. And then next we have Flyaway. This one is a clear gloss with a purple sparkle. And then last but not least, we have Spread Your Wings. This one is a clear gloss with a golden sparkle. And then just quickly, I want to show you one more look that I did with this palette the other day. This one's more of like a peachy look. It's really beautiful. So I used the shade World Above, which is a matte peach, in my crease. And then I applied Crystal Wings, which was that rusty red shade with the golden green shift that really surprised me, all over my lid. And then I used the shade About to Leave in my outer corner, which is that really deep brown color. And then I just patted right in the center of my lid the shade Airy Dalliance, which is that really light peachy shimmer color. And I really, really love how that look came out as well. I'm having so much fun playing with this palette. So anyway, guys, that wraps up this video. I hope you enjoyed this review. And if you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. And also, I will leave everything linked down below. They also had the entire collection for sale in the PR box that I got on Sunday. And that's $80, which is actually quite a big savings. If you bought all the pieces individually, it would be around $122. just all 5 of the lip glosses add up to $79. So for $80, you get all the lip glosses, the palette, and the mirrors. If you like all of these, it's definitely worth getting that set versus individual pieces. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'd love to hear your thoughts down in the comments below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.